Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something exciting we have been working on that will make our job a lot easier. Problem statement. First, let's talk about a problem we faced. We needed to update a link in our application, which was used in 25 different web parts. We had to replace references to our old worklist platform with new references to Viva Engage. It seems like a small change, but it turned out to be a lot of work. We had to update each of the 25 web parts individually, which was time-consuming. We also thought about the future. What if we need to make similar changes again? Doing this manually every time would be inefficient, and we need a better way to manage these updates. This brings us to the spike we worked on. We realized that managing these changes in multiple places was inefficient. So we explored and implemented a solution where we created shared code. This way, any updates we make are done in one place and instantly available everywhere it's needed. This not only solves our current problem but also prepares us for similar changes in the future. We explored different possible options to solve this problem and found a solution that will address this issue: NPM package. Now let's talk about NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager. In simple words, NPM is a tool that helps us manage and share our code. It allows us to use the code that others have developed and pushed to the library, instead of developing it from scratch. At the same time, we can also create and push our own reusable assets to the library, making them available to others to use. This helps us collaborate effectively, save extra efforts, and keep our code consistent by following standard practices. Now let's look at how this helps us. The first key benefit is reusability. By sharing our code, we can use it again and again in different projects. This saves us time because we don't have to write new code each time. For example, we can store services in the package and keep them in central place in the library. This makes them available for others to use. Instead of developing these services from scratch, they can simply use the package in their projects. This saves time and effort. The second key benefit is efficiency. When we keep our code in one place, it's easier to make changes. We only need to update the code once and it works everywhere. For instance, we implemented a form validation script that is used in various forms across our application. By updating validation rules in one place, all forms benefits from the change immediately. Next, we have consistency. Consistency is another big benefit. Using the same code means everything looks and works the same way. We will be showing different kinds of error messages for different scenarios. By keeping this logic in the library, it will help keep the experience consistent across all the web paths. Lastly, scalability. This means we can easily add new features or make improvements without a lot of extra work. Suppose we are storing a logic in the library to capture user interaction for analytics. In the future, if we want to capture information about which page the interaction is coming from, we just need to make a change in one place. This change will then reflect everywhere. In summary, using shared code helps us work together, work smarter, it saves time, reduces mistakes, and make our code more consistent.